Hi there, I'm here today to demo our SCMI Z32 panel saw for you. It's got a couple of fun features. It's been retrofitted with a touchscreen and a PLC control here, replacing the original controls in it that were completely hard to use. It's fully automated in that it reads the back gauge, and instead of having to scroll forward manually and enter a cut length, you can quite simply just enter the length of the board that you want to put in. So if we want a 24-inch board, there, and then when you press enter, it'll automatically move the back gauge up 24 inches. And then you can make your cut if the saw was running. Couple of things to note about this feature there. The PLC is by Automation Direct, programmed with their Direct Soft. I believe it's version 5. Should be available for download on their website if we wanted to change the programming in here. It's a DL06 PLC. The screen is also a touch screen from from Automation Direct. Couple other things of note. You need to relabel the buttons on it. Let's see here. Currently, the position display, that displays where the blade or the backstop is, does not go below 0. So if you set it to 0 and then back up the backstop, it will actually just display some gibberish. That could be easily changed with programming. The other thing that it does not yet do is take into account for blade kerf. It's approximately 1.56 inches. 0.156 inches. So you'll have to manually account for that when cutting wood. The only other, it works as is. The only other real issue is that you need to do a little bit of cleanup on the wiring on the back side here. It's currently kind of just draped on the floor. So it should probably be tidied up a bit. But this unit has been in production in our facility here. Currently we were using it to produce the panels for our crates, such as these over here. It speeds up production because, say 300 millimeters?
Yeah.
You can cut up to 300 millimeters thickness of material. I believe that's up to 7 or 8 sheets of 1/4 inch ply. And it's nice when you're doing batch operations because you can just zip through and make a whole bunch of the same size pieces. Just demonstrate that it does indeed work for you, I guess. So bring it forward just to the edge. I'm going to want to make a zeroing cut on that, so I'm going to have to start the saws. It does have 2 separate motors in it. One is a 12 horsepower for the main saw, and it has a separate scoring motor in there as well. So there's actually 2 blades. There's the first cut. Now it's at true 0. So assuming we wanted a piece that was 12 inches, come on the control panel here, select cut length, you put 12, And then the blade kerf is 0.156. Oops.
It doesn't pick it up.
Too bright. Select enter. Enter, that'll move forward to the position. And cut. There it is. 12-inch piece, and you could do that with a whole stack. It is a good working machine, as you can see. It could be used as is right now, but it really does need a little bit of touch-up from someone who could figure it out in order for it to be a really good working machine.